Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of adding film burn transitions to your videos using CapCut PC. Let's begin. Start by dragging and dropping your video clips into the timeline. Go to the Transitions tab and locate the film burn transition. If this is your first time using it, click Download to install the effect. Add the film burn transition by clicking the plus icon or dragging it between your two video clips. If a pop-up appears asking, "Create duplicate frames for transition," click OK to proceed. A gray transition box will appear between the clips, indicating the effect is applied. Preview the transition by playing the timeline. To adjust its duration, drag the edges of the gray box or modify the duration in the Settings panel. For projects with multiple clips, click the transition and select Apply to All to use the effect consistently across your entire video. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.